Okay, so I've got one fan out. Now I got the first one out and cleaned on the first time lapse that we set up there, and that's what it looks like, all clean and in there. And man, these things are not easy to take out. Specifically, this one little nut right there was giving me some problems. So this is what they look like, and this is the current state that they're in. And basically, the dust that's on here, you could tell that the case was used in high humidity, or the console was used in high humidity of environments, because this dust is basically like dried mud. That's the consistency that it is. So this thing was definitely in some outdoor kind of shows, or, you know, I know that it came from Florida, but this is just kind of a close-up of what you're seeing. So, you know, there's some dust in the corners there that will vac out, you know, and just the state of it. So what I did to the other fan was I cleaned it with alcohol, and the scrubby pads that I have are makeup removers. So one side of them is kind of abrasive and the other side is soft. So I cleaned it with alcohol, then I cleaned it with multi-purpose cleaner, and then I just finished it with just some wax, because I know that the alcohol is drying out the plastic a lot, so I don't want that to be brittle. So we're just giving it a little bit of moisture. So I'll show you guys how we clean the fan. All right, everybody, we are all finished up with the master section. Sorry for no intro today. We had a lot that I had to get done, and I figured you didn't need bored with pleasantries if you're coming from the first section. So here's just an overview of what we did. We got the fans all cleaned up, and then we've got the master section all polished up. I got these support rails cleaned and waxed. I still need to glue these ID tags down, but that's going to be probably after it's all cleaned up. Just showing some contrast here. just with dust and all kinds of stuff that's in 25 through 48, still just as my control for the dirtiest section. So I want to save that one for last because it's going to be probably the most work. So I got the master section all taken apart and cleaned. We took this back module out, and it's hinged on the bottom, so it actually came out with just 6 screws, so it was all right. So top's all clean. Got this all nice and done here. This was a nice flat surface again that could really show the dirt. You know, looking at 25 through 48, it's nice and dirty. I'm looking forward to getting that cleaned. Master section, master patch is all nice and clean now. So that's, I went through and did contact cleaner with the detail brush and all of the male XLRs. And then I went through and did the normal cleaner and wax of it all. Those little cotton rounds are getting really linty, so that's really forcing me to do a lot of vacuuming. I'm trying not to get any more dust in the board. I'm gonna vacuum it all out before once it gets home, because they still have to move it. So movers told me the procedure for that is gonna be bubble wrapping it and double blanketing it. So a blanket, bubble wrap, and then another blanket. So I'm sure that that's gonna put some bit of dust back in the console. So I wanna vac it all out once I get it home. But here's another view of the fans, nice and clean. Which these little lock nuts were really difficult to get out. So the back's all nice and clean, fans are all nice and clean. We got all that mud out of there. And here's the master section. So today's Christmas Eve. I'm gonna try to get back here over the weekend, and if not, early next week. So if I don't see you before then, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Thank you for watching as always, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.